gonna Google?
Yeah.
Are you timing this shit?
No, don't look at me. That's late through. I'm looking at my phone and I can feel it's fucking late.
What is the perfect track day car? A rear-wheel drive BMW? A punchy hatchback? Well, myself and instructor Junaid Ahmed took the brand new i30N DCT to the MasterDrive track school to find out.
Have you used the push button?
No, what's the push button?
That one there. So I mean, but you kind of got to drive it first, and then when you're on the straight, when you're forwarding it, just give it a bit of a. You'll see like a counter will come up.
What do you press?
I think just press it once, the flag. But that's only when you're like going flatfoot, like down the back side of the main straight.
I think the flag does modes, man.
Is it?
Yeah, the flag does modes. Is there something else here?
It's normally that.
Yeah, because I'm changing the modes here with the flags.
Let's see.
We're gonna Google.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna Google how to do this. NGS. There we go. Green shift.
There we go. Yeah, it's got a countdown.
So now we got like max boost.
Yeah. So what do you press?
NGS, dude.
Oh.
That feels way faster, eh? That feels way faster.
And you've never used it yet?
Never. Okay, so
But it runs out
so that'll probably use on the straights.
on the straights, yeah.
Okay.
So like the last time I used it here, and by the time I came on the main straight, there wasn't enough juice.
Okay.
So it didn't allow me to use some.
Yeah.
So choose where you want to use it.
Yes, choose wisely. Okay, cool.
I think probably the main straight is better because you'll build up the energy through the other corners.
Okay, cool.
But it's up to you. It's up
I'm
to
gonna
you.
get going now.
Yeah.
Let's put it into manual mode there. Yeesh. That's without NGS at the moment.
Yeah. How's that grip, man?
Yeah. Next level. Okay, here we go. Scramble boost.
See him press the Scramble turbo boost switch, easily passes the Nismo GTR.
Scramble boost time. I think I might have dropped that pressure still low. Scramble boost. There we go.
30 seconds.
Yeah. So, and this is exactly for this type of thing where you're on the straight and you want to just get a little bit
Yeah.
extra speed.
Yeah.
Fuck it, that's late on the brakes thing.
But the car's like, yeah, okay.
No, the car's like whatever, bro. Scramble boost. I'll put it on.
35 seconds.
Scramble boost. Okay, so it cools down the turbo then.
That's late through. I'm looking at my phone and I can feel it's fucking late.
I've got a lot more respect for this car after today.
Yeah.
I've always liked it. It was my favorite car for a while, but you have to drive it hard, man.
Yeah.
Cheers, Tamar. Okay, he's going on a slow down lap.
I will take that.
Yeah, we'll take it. Now we've smoked the Tamar. We're gonna have break young Thundercatcher. Coming through.
I felt like I was in the Altar now. You know, I'm looking down and I can feel there's a situation about that.
Yeah, I was literally going. It feels like I should be able to brake like this. I'm chatting to you, and then I'm like, I should probably brake. Okay, we ready?
Yeah. Here's your old flame.
My old flame, yeah. No, come on. Scramble boost.
I'm gonna time it from the bridge.
Okay, cool. Shit, we got a
Not
bucket.
ideal.
Not ideal. Oh shit, he went wide. Sorry, bro. Sorry, bro. What? Oh, these brakes are getting a bit wooden now. Brakes are getting a bit wooden, bro. Yeah, brakes are a bit wooden. We got one more hard braking zone and then we're done.
keys on it. It's going to be a whole other car.
Imagine this thing is sitting track.
But that understanding me feeling hasn't gone.
Come on. This is no setup or anything. Brake a little bit earlier, yeah? Yes, the pedal's got a little bit on, but it does pick up eventually.
Yeah.
That's how you got it called.
Nice, that was smooth.
You check that?
Yeah.
It's not like a Golf that rotates.
Yeah.
You've got to trust the understeer. Here we go over the bridge. What do we get?
129. But
Yo!
the fucked up line here. The line was fucked up
That's not
here.
bad, eh? That is not bad, bro.
Not bad, not bad.
That is not
With
bad.
the wrong line.
Yo, that is not bad at all, bro. I'm happy with that. 2 people in, 129. This is like a challenge car,
Yeah.
straight from the factory.
Yeah.
Actually, a little bit better tires too. Okay, here we go. Okay, we got another lap. I tried to go in a bit too hard there.
But you can easy the car rotates, man.
Yeah, but I wanted to rotate
Yeah.
more though. I wanted to rotate faster. I wanted to rotate faster, but it's not when you check. You just get understeer.
Yeah.
It doesn't. The back doesn't step. So we probably need to add more tire pressure to the back. But I think you just gotta be smoother, man.
Yeah, it kind of feels like because of the tires, you might be overdriving the car.
Yes, I am overdriving the car. Like that pause
Yeah.
never happens. The car
Yeah.
doesn't rotate on the pause. It just turns on the pause. So you can't wait. You got to be on the power, off the power. So that first braking zone there, I need to actually just brake straight and not try and do a challenge line or whatever. Same with this one here. Rather just go across here and then get the car turned and now on the power.
There we go.
So that's the right way to drive this thing. We might have lost like half a second there or something. But let's see. Here we go.
Again.
So it's definitely this corner over here we big time. 139.8. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. Sure. Gee whiz, bro. This thing is lekker, eh? I would have liked it to. Oops. I would have liked it to turn in a little bit tighter over here. This is exactly where Chad was parked the last time.
Okay.
It's exactly where Chad was parked the last time, remember?
So, if you want a car, a front wheel drive that rotates, that
You need a Golf.
that began 275 of Stewart,
Oh, is it?
dude, that thing goes fucking sideways through turn 4.
See, that's what I like. But some of these modern cars, like the Type R and this one, they don't do that.
Yeah.
The front tracks everywhere.
Yeah.
So you got to drive around the front
Yeah.
grip, not around the back.
Yeah.
So I like those Renaults the
Yeah.
way they handle.
You just
like
turn it in here, pitch it in, and the car just slides
yes.
into the corner.
Now this and the Type R don't do that.
Right.
Okay, I'm cooling it down again. We'll go one more time, and this time try a conventional line. Okay, Scramble boost. Okay, flag's not out yet. Red flag's out.
Red flag. Red flag.
Red flag's out.
Because of the BM.
Yo, this thing is lekker. Yeah, I tried to do the V line over here and it's not gonna happen. You gotta let it run straight.
Yeah. Nice
Oh,
going.
we got it going, yeah. Oh, they probably didn't know that they would get it going.
Are you gonna go in or do you wanna?
I don't know. I don't think
Yes.
they'll restart the session now. What time is this? Is it supposed to end at 1?
1:30.
Oh, it's the end of 1:30.
So you got like almost 15 minutes.
Let's see. I want to do one proper lap though.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Well, maybe when everyone goes in.
Yeah,
I'm still showing.
if the session is red flag, then they'll just let us
Yeah.
come in and then go straight out again.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can do that.
Yeah.
I must go talk to him and just tell him it's all good. Somebody went over here. Yep.
Okay. So it wasn't just the BM then.
Yeah, I think I might have taken a switching too much out the tires. But yeah, it's one of those things you never learn. Let's see what's on now. It's 2.6 now. It's back at 2.6 hard now, or 2.6 hot. So it was 2.8 hot earlier on, and
Okay.
before that it was like probably 3 hot because I dropped it at that stage.
Okay.